Okay, so the Iron Man mk46 is complete with full sound effects, LED eyes, just like the mk85 I did. This one come out really nice. It's got some different detail in the helmet and the face shield that the other helmets didn't have. I thought the print, the sanding I did, all the prep work paid off. I mean, this one is just like the 85. It just came out really nice. It's so smooth. It's like you can't see any print lines at all. It's absolutely perfect. All I can say is I think I'm getting better as I go here. So this one here is the same deal. I have to use the Iron Man ring to activate it. So we'll give it a shot. You can hear the sound effects of it opening. Got some wiring in there. Got my some padding. The power pack. And we'll try to close it. It's sweet. Really cool. I don't know where I'm gonna go from here now. You know, I'm not sure yet. So I got the MK3, the MK5, the MK85, and the MK46, and I got the Batman helmet. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. And I mean, these things just come out really good. It's just a lot of work to them. I'm thinking about maybe another like another figurine and do some of my my airbrushing. So I feel like I'm ready for a little airbrushing again. The Juggernaut and the Captain America came out really good. So I might do the Hulk. Not sure yet. But this one's complete. It's going to go on the shelf with the rest of them. And we're going to call this a day. So this is the collection so far. Pretty much did this whole collection over the winter, I guess, since last fall. Started working on a lot of this stuff. And the lithophane box. Got all the retractable lightsabers. They're pretty cool. I haven't done a video on those. I probably should do one because they're actually pretty cool. Retractables katana sword. And a Japanese, actually it's a Chinese type sword here. That's retractable too. And of course I did this skull almost after I first got my printer. Which, the detail on that was phenomenal. I did post a video on that one. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Terminator. Yeah, it's going along. I'm running out of shelf space. Might have a little room on the bottom shelf for a couple things, but we'll see. So yeah, I'm looking forward to some FPV flying. The warm weather's coming. Gotta get my drones ready for flight. That ought to be a good time. I always look forward to that. Put a few videos up with some flights. All right, until the next video, Falcon out.